How to duplicate snake key by to M to tank CNC key cutting machine. Enter universal key duplicate. And then please find the snake key. Select the key with shoulder. Click the next step. When you click Identify, application reminds, please change the right cutter and probe. Pay attention, cutter is 0.9 millimeters, probe is 0.5 millimeters. If finished changing cutter, please click OK. And then install the key on the clamp depending on the guide picture. If OK, please continue and the key duplication. We get all tracks. The next is to install the key blank. If it is ready. At last, start to cut the key. After finishing cutting both sides, let's try it.